Mechanics hate when drivers know this secret. Why? Because it fixes almost 90% of car problems instantly, without spending a single dollar, no tools, no parts. Just a simple reset that makes your car act brand new again. Dealerships hope you never learn this, because every time a check engine light flickers on, or your car idles rough, or your transmission shifts funny, they want you to panic and hand over hundreds. But here's the truth. Most of these problems aren't broken parts at all. They're just bad memory stored inside your car's brain. And the final reset I'll show you controls how your car actually drives. Ignore it, and you risk catastrophic failure. By the end of this video, you'll know 17 powerful resets that can solve most car problems instantly. No tools, no parts, and definitely no overpriced dealer scams. Each trick is simple, yet effective. And the final reset? It's like hitting Control-Alt-Delete on your entire car, wiping glitches clean in seconds. 1. Battery disconnect reset. The classic reset every mechanic knows. Disconnect the negative terminal for 10 to 15 minutes, and your car's computer forgets its stored tantrums, warning lights, rough idle weird shifts. When reconnected, it reboots clean. Bonus: clean the terminals while you wait. Zero cost. No tools beyond a wrench. Just a fresh start for your car. 2. ECU fuse reset. Instead of pulling the whole battery, go straight for the brain. Locate the ECU fuse in your fuse box, pull it for a few minutes, then slide it back. This wipes stored errors without killing radio presets or clock settings. Fast, clean, and powerful, like hitting the reset button on your car's mind. 3. Throttle body reset trick. Modern cars use electronic throttles that learn your driving style. Over time, they pick up bad habits, causing rough idle or sluggish response. The fix? A simple pedal dance. Ignition on, not start. Press gas fully, hold, then release. This recalibrates the throttle body, smoothing idle and restoring crisp acceleration. No tools required. 4. Steering angle sensor reset. After a battery disconnect, your car's steering angle sensor can forget what straight is. That confuses traction control and stability systems. The fix is simple. Start the car, turn the wheel fully left, fully right, then back to center. In seconds, the system recalibrates, and your handling and safety features work like new. 5. Radio infotainment hard reset. Frozen screen? Random glitches. Most infotainment systems hide a built-in hard reset. It's like pressing Control-Alt-Delete on a computer. Hold the power plus home buttons, or press and hold the volume knob for 10 seconds. Methods vary by brand. Instead of a costly dealer visit, your system reboots fresh, for free. 6. Window auto up-down reset. One-touch windows stop working after a power loss. The fix? Simple recalibration. Roll the window fully down, hold the switch for a few extra seconds, then roll it fully up and hold again. This reteaches the motor its limits. Dealers charge for it, but you can do it in seconds, totally free. 7. Sunroof reset. If your sunroof acts haunted, stopping halfway or refusing to close, it just forgot its limits. The reset is simple. Press and hold the close or tilt button for 10 to 15 seconds until it cycles. This recalibrates open and closed positions. No mechanic, no parts, just patience and a steady finger on the switch. 8. Tire pressure monitoring system reset. That stubborn TPMS light isn't always a flat tire. It's often just confused. Most cars let you reset it yourself with a hidden button under the dash or through the menu. Hold until the light blinks, then drive a few miles. Your car relearns the pressures and the warning disappears. No dealer visit required. 9. Key fob resync. Change the battery, but your key fob still won't work? It's not broken. It just lost sync with the car. Most models let you repair it in under a minute. Cycle the ignition on, press the fob buttons, and let the system shake hands again. No dealer, no tools, just instant access restored. 10. Transmission adaptation reset. Sluggish or weird shifts don't always mean a failing transmission. Modern cars learn your driving style, but sometimes pick up bad habits. A reset clears those patterns. Disconnect the battery or follow a pedal sequence, then drive gently to retrain the system. Result: crisp, clean shifts, like the transmission just rolled off the factory floor. 11. Idle air control reset. A rough or hunting idle isn't always a dirty throttle body. Sometimes the ECU just forgets airflow settings. After a battery disconnect or cleaning, let the car idle in park with no accessories for a few minutes. This reset reteaches airflow balance, restoring a smooth, steady idle without replacing a single part. 12. HVAC reset. When one vent blows hot and another blasts cold, it's not a ghost. It's the blend doors losing calibration. Most cars let you reset by holding the AUTO plus OFF buttons together or pulling the HVAC fuse briefly. When restarted, the system recalibrates, fixing uneven airflow without costly dealer diagnostics. 13. ABS/traction control reset. Random ABS or traction lights don't always mean failing brakes. Often it's just a computer hiccup from low voltage or sensor glitches. Many cars reset with a simple trick: cycling the ignition while pressing the brake, or pulling the ABS fuse for a few minutes. Once recalibrated, the lights vanish, restoring confidence. 14. Oil change. Light reset. Fresh oil in, but the dashboard still nags? That reminder isn't smart. It just counts miles. Most cars clear it with a simple trick: ignition on, press the gas pedal 3 times, then off. Others use a dash button or steering wheel menu. 1 minute, no dealer, no charge. 15. Service interval reset. That "service due soon" message? It isn't magic, it's just a timer. Dealers love to reset it after charging you, but you can do it yourself. Hold the trip button while turning the key, or dive into the infotainment menu under Maintenance, hit Reset, and the nagging reminder vanishes instantly. 16. Adaptive cruise control reset. Adaptive cruise feels like magic until it glitches. Maybe after a windshield replacement, sensor dirt, or random error. Instead of paying the dealer, reset it yourself. Park on flat ground, ignition on, then hold the cruise button until System Reset appears. A short highway drive recalibrates it. Smooth, following restored. 17. Master Reset Combo. Think of this as your car's Control plus ALT plus DIL. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes or use your infotainment's factory reset. This wipes every module: engine, transmission, sensors, clearing glitches in one shot. Afterward, take a short drive so the car relearns. Dealers charge hundreds, but this all-systems reboot is totally free. A part smaller than your phone can make your car feel broken. Warning lights, rough idle, sluggish shifts. Suddenly you think disaster is coming. But the truth is, most of those problems are just your car's computers glitching. And now you know the secret resets that bring it back to life. From the old-school battery pull to the master reset that clears every module, these tricks take minutes. Yet they fix issues dealers charge hundreds of dollars to diagnose. That's why mechanics hate when drivers learn them. Because once you do, you stop handing over your wallet for problems you can solve at home. So here's the real moral. Never underestimate the power of a simple reset. It saves money, it saves time, and most of all, it saves your sanity every time that dreaded dashboard light flickers on. Now you know 17 quick resets that can make your car feel brand new again. From stubborn warning lights to glitchy windows and even rough transmissions, you've just unlocked the very tricks dealerships don't want you to know. These resets cost nothing, require no special tools, and yet can save you hundreds, even thousands, over your car's lifetime. Think about it. The next time your dashboard lights up, instead of panicking, you'll know exactly what to do. And this is just the start. There are dozens of other secrets hidden in your car waiting to be revealed. So here's your next step. Hit subscribe right now for more car hacks that keep your ride running better, longer, and cheaper. And tell me, which reset surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. Your story might just save another driver from wasting money at the dealership.